Xiaomi is gearing up to launch the Mi Band 7 Pro, and an early look reveals that its appearance leans heavily into smartwatch territory. Back in May 2022, Xiaomi unveiled the Mi Band 7 in China, and then launched it globally a month later with a new name, the Xiaomi Smart Band 7. The Mi Band 7 Pro is an all-new model in this series. In addition to fitness trackers and smartwatches, Xiaomi's lifestyle products also include smart scales. Its Mi Body Composition Scale 2 is capable of measuring not only weight but other health metrics, such as body fat, visceral fat, bone mass, and basal metabolism. This device ties in nicely with its fitness trackers and smartwatches as it provides users insights into the effects their lifestyle choices have on their overall health. The Mi Band 7 Pro has been confirmed by Xiaomi via an official announcement on its Weibo page. The post includes a GIF that shows the upcoming wearable, which is a much larger display than the standard version. The design of the Mi Band 7 Pro seems to focus more on style, unlike the Mi Band 7, which is a pill-shaped display that is standard for fitness trackers. Nevertheless, this appearance is not unfamiliar. As a matter of fact, the large-screen fitness tracker was first introduced by Huawei a few years ago, and the Watch Fit 2 is its most recent iteration. The image shared by Xiaomi shows the wearable has a shiny case, one that is likely made of metal, probably aluminum. The case could also be made of high-grade plastic with a metallic coating. In addition to the official image, renders of the watch were also posted on Weibo by Tipster Digital Chat Station. The images shared by the tipster provide a better look at the device, which will be available in at least two colors when it launches. One of the two colorways has off-white straps attached to a gold case, while the other has black straps with a gray case. There are no buttons on the wearable, which means the only way to operate the device will be via the touch display. The Mi Band 7 Pro should have all of the features of the standard model, such as heart rate measurement and blood oxygen level monitoring. It should also have extra features that set it apart from the standard Mi Band 7. Xiaomi has confirmed that the Mi Band 7 Pro will be launched alongside the Xiaomi 12S series on July 4th. However, while the phones won't be getting an international release, the fitness tracker is expected to make it out of China, but probably at a later date. The Xiaomi 12T, its next generation budget flagship for markets outside China, is expected to arrive later this year. Xiaomi tends to launch its fitness trackers in the UK and Europe, and the Mi Band 7 Pro is also expected to make its way to these markets. I am very happy to test this bracelet and compare it with competitors, so don't forget to hit the like button. Have a nice day, and see you soon.